Y'all, I am on season 4, episode 3 of Wildfire on Netflix. I'm almost done. Woo-hoo. It's been a day, y'all. So I haven't really done much, right? I said I was gonna wash my hair today, which I need to do soon because it's a bird's nest. But I need to wash my hair. I just finished cleaning out Cam's room. I just think that, you know, like he's getting a little bit older, so he'll be 13 in roughly about 3-4 months. So I end up cleaning it up. I'll show you guys. So I just kind of switched it up a little bit, and bed was normally right here, but I just decided to put that stuff over there and make it look like this. There's some things like that I found when I was cleaning, like Valentine's cards. Guess who? These are mostly my games, but I end up finding chalk. Maybe I think it's just time to donate it to work. He went through some of his stuff, realized what he can't fit and doesn't wear. Then we found some extra things that I'll donate to work as well.
Once I get married, I don't think that we should be a part of each other's lives.
Take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place.
Good morning, y'all. It is Thursday. Y'all, I promise y'all today I'm going to wash it. I'm tired of looking at this bird's nest myself. So I'm up making some French toast really quickly. And I have some chicken breast thawed out. So I'm gonna make the chicken empanadas today, just to make it. And of course, since I have the other 2 getting ready to thaw out as well, I'm gonna have to prep up that chicken pot pie. So that'll be dinner. So I'll make that tomorrow so I can throw in some biscuits on my order. So with us going back to school Monday, I'm trying to do a grocery pickup order where the kids have breakfast, they have stuff for snacks, they have you know, stuff for like lunches in case they don't want school lunch, certain things like that. So we always do that every year. But with the sales being really good at Kroger, I really need to sit down and plan that out today so that I can either do a pickup order today or tomorrow. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna make me some breakfast, make me some coffee, sit down, plan, and get back to y'all. Oh yeah, I still got ice in there.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. The drama, 'cause when it pop off, it's like oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me.
Yes, y'all, I'm bringing back out the slow cooker crock pot recipes. I went through my 2 recipe books, and yeah, I'm bringing them back out. There's no way in the world. This will also help me to like meal prep. Actually, these 2, yeah, these will help me to meal plan for like dinner, so I don't have to make anything like the day of. And then of course, like, also have some for lunch. So I got BLT rollers, pork chops and brown gravy, white chicken chili, what is this? Slow cooker chicken and dumplings, chicken ranch wrap. Y'all, you know. All right, y'all. So we're gonna make the best homemade chocolate chip cookies. So you really only need like really need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things. So less than 10 items, which is going to be a huge plus. So we have chocolate chips, we have baking soda, we have butter, we have 1 egg. It does not have to be at room temperature. We got vanilla. This one is from when my mom went out of the country, so I just like the fact that it's in a big bottle and I ain't gotta worry about buying none. Then we have some salt, we got brown sugar, and then we have flour and granulated sugar. If y'all are looking for the exact recipe, you can look down in the description box down below to find a link to my short where I've done these before. Some other day.
Alright.
Things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb the way you dress and gone flex and hold it still.
Alright, you're now ready to fold in your chocolate chips.
Situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire.
Alright, y'all, so me and the kids each had 1 cookie already, but as you can see, here is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then there's about 5 in the. So I made butter noodles for lunch. And sent my kids on their merry little way. Literally on their merry little way. And then also pulled out that chicken because right now I'm making the chicken for the chicken empanadas. So I do 6 cups of water in the pan, and then I do 6 teaspoon scoops of the chicken flavor bouillon, and then I just mix it up. And once my chicken has been you know, like cooking in the pan for like 20-25 minutes, that's when I'll let it cool down, shred it up real good, and then I go in and mix it with that good old, it's so freaked out. So that's gonna be dinner. I know I got some rice up there or whatever, but some empanadas and rice or something. Anyways, y'all, I'm looking at this calendar, and if I keep looking at it, I'm going to wonder why my phone is saying August, but the calendar ain't matching. Y'all, July ended like literally less than 24 hours ago, but normally I'm on top of this, and I'm going to get it right. So let me get my little August calendar up and running. Alright, y'all, so August 2024, here are what I have so far. Back to teaching, which is Monday. The Wednesday after that is our first day of school, and then the Wednesday after that is Chuck's birthday. So yeah, so far I don't have nothing planned for August. Y'all, this is like the second to last Myrtle Beach vlog. Hallelujah. If y'all haven't checked this out by now, go check it out. Editing tags going out right now because it's 4 o'clock. Alright, y'all, so I told y'all it's time to wash this head. I'm telling you, when I take it down, y'all gonna look like what? Y'all, you see how it's like sticking together and how much hair I got together on here? I washed it when we came back from vacation, you know, to get all the sand out. But as you can tell, it did what it wanted to do. So look, it's just like staying together, y'all. Anyway, I gotta tame this bird's nest here by washing it and conditioning it so I can get like the tangles out. And then honestly, I think I'm gonna braid it up. That way it can be curly the next couple of days, and then I don't have to worry about my hair. especially like if I have things to do this weekend. So I think that we might do like some back to school shopping for the kids, which we've already done. But it is tax-free weekend in Virginia tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. So I still didn't get the chance to put in my grocery order. I'm just like, I'm thinking honestly of doing it and picking it up in the morning around like 9-10. But who knows? That's if I even take a minute to sit down and figure all that out. Just got him out the shower, just got her in the tub, so she's in there having a ball. But I'm gonna get ready to wash. I can't take it no more. First I gotta unlock this door for Chuck to come in, and then I gotta look, I be unlocking and moving because I don't feel like speaking to their neighbor I got. It's just anyways, like I said, I'm trying to get all that done. I gotta move my computer. Yeah, let me just hurry up so I can go over here and wash this head. Look at it. I tell you.
Cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do.
Believe in using the Maui. I don't know why, but it does nourish and moisturize my hair. And they have different flavors. So like this one is coconut milk and this is for dry hair. So the reason why I chose that one is because with having that blonde in, it has made it dry, but at the same time, when it's like with my skin, I try so hard not to put too much oil in. And if I do put oil in, I try to do it in the mornings when I do my hair. That way I'm not laying down with the oils on my hair and get into my face to make me break out. So I have some of this, I don't even know, my mama bought it for me. It's like a little oil. I'm gonna rub this in. It actually smells really like, I don't know, smell like an old lady going to church. God forgive me. But I'm gonna like scrub that in really good, and then I'll go in with the shampoo twice, conditioner once, and I'll let that sit for a few minutes. One of my favorite things to put in my hair is that sulfur-8, because I have a lot of like moments where I itch the front, so like a lot of dandruff, but you can't see it. It's just when my hair gets really dry, and like I said, I got to do better with putting stuff in my hair. So with me washing it and like putting stuff in it today, I probably won't do it again until Saturday, just because I won't need it, especially if my hair is up and braided for like the next day or two. So let's wash.
Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love. Give me your love. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love. Give me your love.
Okay, I know y'all see me pulling some of my hair to try and like pull it apart, and they're, you know, they always say like don't do that because it can break your hair, but it actually helps my hair to come untangled. So also a good second coat of conditioner wherever like the knots are also help me too. So I just like go back in and put it wherever it's needed, and I just gently tug on the spots that the hair is still stuck together. That way it makes it easier to just like brush it out and not be pulling from the scalp. So with the conditioner in, it just conditions it to make it a little bit better to work with. And then I'm able to just like pull the hair from the bottom that needs to go. So like if you see hair hanging, that's exactly what that is. Might as well let it go. Alright, so done washing. Now it's just the part of getting a brush, paddle brush, or my other brush, and getting the tangles out. And then I don't know, I got my AC going, and I don't like to be going, I mean normally I do, but when I gotta go back to work on Monday, last thing I need is a wet head and to have a head cold going back to work. So I'm gonna, I guess, comb it out and then try to like blow dry it out. This is not the only thing I'm gonna put in my hair. I have a scalp thing, like conditioner, that is this brand that I'm gonna run through my hair. It's just a different scent. So anyways, I will catch y'all in a few.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really.
Y'all, this brush really does wonders. I got it off of Amazon, and all it does is like separate your hair. So it comes with these like separators so that you're able to just brush. I'll try to find them and link them in my description box down below for those of you who want to use this like a wider brush, but at the same time it's to help detangle.
Words got deep, it's like a sword.
Okay y'all, finally, look, this is what's gonna happen if you get that brush and you actually have like combed it out. So every strand on my head is now bird's nest free. Bird nest free. Woo. And it didn't even take long. Like I said, do those two deep, like not deep, but two conditions and the two shampoos, like get dirt out your hair. Yeah. So I'm gonna just braid it up. No. I'm gonna try to just blow dry it first and then braid it up. Because if I braid it up and then blow dry, what was the purpose of even braiding it? It's not gonna last long. Yeah, y'all. And look, I was like, oh crap, I forgot to pull out the empanada shells. I forgot to pull them out.
I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys.